Now that we have hello world going, we can begin to do some math. First of all, we're going to want to set up a variable. A variable is set up by typing in a name and then putting equals to and whatever the variable is equal to. And to start a comment, you'd use the hashtag. So I will say name of variable equals to variable. So here we have a comment saying that the name of the variable is equal to any number or text. Now, say we want to create a variable called var1, which stands for variable 1. We'd say the name space equal sign space 0. Now say we wanted to do something to var1, like plus 10. Well, we could then say var1 plus sign 10. Then we can print var1. Note that this will not have any quotation marks because we are printing the variable, not var1. You can see here that this didn't work, and that's just because this needs to be inside brackets. Oh, sorry. This needs to be inside the print tag right here, and you can see that it is outputted 10, but if we just print var1 before we plus anything, we can see that it is equal to 0 and then we plus 10. Now we can set up multiple variables like so. Instead of doing var1 plus 10, we can say print var1 plus var2. Now if we save this and run it, you can see we have the initial var1, we have var1 plus 10, and then var1 plus var2. And that is how you should use the print and variable function in Python.